my tiger cub, come join me, don't you stall. Let's crack some eggs and make the best omelette of them all.
Hey, Wanda, Panda, let me try to crack the shell. Oops, I missed the slack.
It's a sticky hotel. No worries, we'll clean it. Let's try it once more. 5 eggs, not 4.
We'll get it perfect for sure. Oil in the pan, just a little, not a pool.
Careful, Tidin, that stove can get hot. That's the rule.
Sprinkle the cheese and give it a swirl. Flip it in the air, whoops, it twirled like a whirl.
Oh, crack, crack, sizzle, sizzle, stir it up, yeah.
Eiffel Titan, that stove can get hot, that's the rule.
Sprinkle the cheese and give it a swirl. Flip it in the air.
Whoops, it twirled like a whirl.
Oh, crack, crack, sizzle, sizzle, stir it up, yeah. 5 eggs in the pan, let's cook it with flair. Add cheese, a dash of salt, and oil to the mix. Follow along, kids, it's a breakfast fix.
Wanda, it's bubbling.
What do we do now?
Poke it, do we flip it?
Do we raise a brow? Patience, my tiger, just wait and you'll see. An omelet so yummy for you and for me.
Now it's done, let's serve it on a plate. A cheesy, fluffy omelet,
Oh wow, it's great. So kids, grab your parents, sing along, it's fun. With Wanda and Tidin, breakfast is #1. Oh, crack, crack, sizzle, sizzle, stir it up, yeah.
Eiffel Titan, that stove can get hot, that's the rule.
Sprinkle the cheese and give it a swirl. Flip it in the air.
Whoops, it twirled like a whirl.
Oh, crack, crack, sizzle, sizzle, stir it up, yeah. 5 eggs in the pan, let's cook it with flair. Add cheese, a dash of salt, and oil to the mix. Follow along, kids, it's a breakfast fix.
If you like this video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It would mean a lot to us.